In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed audio from Google Drive into Google Docs. This simple process will allow you to incorporate audio files directly into your documents, which can be extremely useful for adding a multimedia dimension to your content. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through this step by step. First, you want to begin by heading over to Google Drive. Open your preferred browser and navigate to Google Drive's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the specific audio file that you wish to embed in your Google Doc. Take a moment to browse your files until you find what you're looking for. When you have it, right-click on the audio file to bring up a variety of options. Next, you'll need to click on the Share option that appears in the menu. This is a crucial step as sharing settings determine who can access the audio file. A window will pop up displaying the current sharing settings. Ensure that your file is set to anyone with the link can view. Changing this setting ensures that anyone with access to your document can play the audio without any hiccups. Now, with the sharing settings adjusted, it's time to copy the link. You'll see an option to copy link within the same dialog box. Click on that to copy the link to your clipboard. This link is essentially the key that connects your Google Drive audio file with your Google Doc. With the link copied, head over to the Google Doc where you want the audio to reside. Open the document if it's not already open, and decide at which point in the document you want the audio to be linked. Once you've chosen the spot, highlight the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. It could be a phrase like "click here to listen," or any other text you feel fits well in the context of your document. With your text highlighted, it's time to add the link. Look for the link icon in the toolbar at the top of your document. Clicking it will open up a small dialog box where you can paste the copied link. Paste your audio link right there, ensuring that there are no accidental spaces that could break the link. To finalize this process, click the Apply button. This action converts your highlighted text into a clickable link that points directly to your Google Drive audio file. Now, whenever someone clicks that link, they will be able to access and play the audio you've embedded. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully embedded an audio file from Google Drive into your Google document. This technique is perfect for creating interactive documents, enhancing presentations, or simply adding a touch of audio to your writing. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make your documents more engaging. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.